The FE error code on a Whirlpool dishwasher typically indicates a fill error, which is often caused by a faulty diverter motor. This issue can be resolved by replacing the diverter motor. To do so, start by uninstalling the dishwasher. Unplug it, close the water supply valve, and remove the upper and bottom racks. Then, remove the bottom spray arm, feed tube, outlet pump, and diverter disc from the motor shaft. Next, remove the bottom front and toe access panels, and disconnect the water supply from the inlet valve and the machine's drain line. Remove the mounting screws that secure the dishwasher to the cabinet, and carefully pull it out. With the dishwasher on its back, remove the wire harnesses from the diverter motor. Then remove the mounting screws. Depress the locking tab, and pull out the old motor. Install the replacement motor, securing it with the mounting screws. Reassemble the dishwasher, stand it up, and push it back under the counter. Reconnect the drain pipe and water supply, and secure the dishwasher in place. Reattach the bottom front and toe panels, and reinstall the diverter disc. Finally, restore power and water to the dishwasher, and test it to ensure the issue is resolved.